Hey y'all, so this is what my mom has cooked so far. Got grandma in the kitchen frying some sweet plantains, my favorite, y'all. I love me some sweet plantains. All right, y'all, so it is currently 5:44. My mom is still in the midst of cooking, so I still haven't eaten yet. All I had this morning was some Dunkin' Donuts at work. So I'm just waiting on her to finish cooking. My boyfriend was here earlier, but he left. Lord knows where he went to. So I'm here by myself. My sister's somewhere in the house running around. But yeah. So I did my makeup to go nowhere. Actually, that's a lie. I'm supposed to go over my cousin's girlfriend's house because she's having a little something. But like, I can't go until whatever we're having over here starts. So I don't know. I like my makeup, but I feel like the foundation is a little dark for me. Guys, can you believe after like what 4 years of doing makeup, I still struggle with matching my foundation? Like, it's something that I still have not yet mastered, bro, because all those freaking yellow, green, orange, purple undertones or whatever, like I just can't, like I can't grasp it. Like I just can't. But yeah, I'm gonna check back in later. Hopefully next time I check back in is after like we finish eating, and hopefully by that time I'm on my way to my cousin's girlfriend's house for the real turn up. So yeah, see ya. Y'all, guess who finally decided to grace us with their presence? Wes.
Oh, you been started vlogging?
Yeah. I told them how you left me. Ain't even tell me where you was going.
You must be like a real tipsy.
Don't worry about what I am. Yeah, I'm a little schmez. I'm a little drunk. But it's Thanksgiving, so that's okay. And he just feed me more alcohol.
It's not even on.
Oh my God.
You is so over exaggerated.
Wesley, oh no. No. Y'all.
Oh Lord.
Oh no. Y'all. And you just sipping on it like it's juice. No. Y'all, do not buy this. This is nasty. It tastes like vinegar. I thought you said it was sweet.
They said it was sweet.
Oh, they lied. This is the most unsweet wine. Y'all, I like me some sweet wine, and he knows that. I don't know why he would give me this vinegar ass shit. Still haven't eaten, y'all. Still waiting.
They trying to cook your whole fridge, huh?
Must be. Sheesh. Ashley's like, waited long enough. It's time to eat. I feel you. I wanted to be nice and wait for my mom, you know, the person who prepared the meal.
What's that?
What's what? Cinnamon rolls.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why is the frosting not moving?
Why it's not moving? Because it's dry. Now. We've been sitting here forever. It was. Yeah. Gotta dance.
So who's playing music? Your dad?
Yeah. Gotta do that
That
Haitian
boy was
compa.
knocked out.
Well, he was knocked out.
Yeah, his head all day back.
Sitting outside?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see if we could catch him. Oh, exactly. I'm gonna be like, Dad! I should go behind and be like, see, somebody had the opportunity. I should go do it. Go do it. He likes you. It'll be funny if you do it. That's just so lame. She's not gonna do nothing. So everybody is outside, getting in the front yard, getting table. Y'all, we is Haitian as hell. Like, I don't know if it's like common or not, but this is like the second year that we've had like Thanksgiving outside in the front yard, where we just get like a fold out table and everybody just sit in the front yard. So yeah, that's what everybody's doing. They getting, y'all, when I tell you I am tipsy, like I might as well just say I'm drunk, to be honest. But yeah, everybody in the front setting up tables, setting up chairs. My cousin and her sister and her dad supposed to be on their way. I don't think we're gonna end up going to my cousin's girlfriend's thing that she's having because it's getting pretty, like people are starting to come over to our house. So I think I'm just gonna y'all. So I think I'm just gonna stay here tonight because as you guys could tell, I'm already a little turned. So might just stay here tonight, chill with the fam, whatever. Still haven't eaten. Y'all want to know what time it is? Let me tell you what time it is. It's 6:57, and we ain't eat nothing. Ain't eat nothing. Nothing. Got my baby Molly in here with me. How you zoom out? Why is this not zooming out? Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Molly keeps barking at everybody because she doesn't recognize all these unfamiliar smells and shit. Hey guys! Yeah, but she said she's on her way back. Wow, no fair photo without me. Hi guys. Molly, shut up. Molly! I'm on with Volo. Oh my god, this dog. Hello. Why you look so mad? You want to be on my vlog? Hey. Hi. I'm good. How are you? Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good. Mwah. What's your name?
Natasha.
Natasha. I'm Anahika. Nice to meet you.
My name is Eli.
It's a she, Molly.
Molly.
It's Molly. What's your name?
Eli.
Eli. Hi, Eli. That's your son?
My middle name. My middle name.
Oh, you did?
My middle name is Black Panther.
Oh, your middle name's Black Panther? That's your legal middle name?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Really, nigga?
Wesley, don't hold it like that. You gotta hold it by the tripod.
Why? I don't want to hold it by the tripod.
Molly! You your sister? I'm gonna fuck with her. I ain't never seen her get drunk. Oh, I'm about to get her drunk.
She had 2 of those margaritas and she's dying. I'm like,
Girl, listen, I got Stella Rosa, we got Capriccio Sangria, we got Martini Rosé, we got Clemas, we got 12%. I don't know what the name of it is, but it's 12%. It's 12%. It's just 12%. Bro, I have to pee like every 5 seconds.
hey, vlog life.
Hey, vlog. What's up? Oh, I forgot my drink. Watch. Got this eye open one? Yeah. Where? Anna. Oh, it's still recording? 5 minutes?
Oh my god.
Oh, Mom, we got to cheers. You got to keep up with your little sister, Mom. Mom, that one tastes good.
Oh my god.
Is that, Mom, that's the best one. Exactly, you don't taste, Mom. You drank. You gotta take it to the head. Take it to the head.
You're welcome, Molly. You can have it.
It's happened to me like 6 times.
Here you go.
I'm off, man. I gotta go to work 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock.
She said the same thing.
What did I say?
I don't want to tell you because you might yell it out.
Like you're yelling.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'll listen. What is it? Okay.
Molly about to have a full heart attack right now.
She's probably full.
You feel this dog hard? She is dying.
No, girl, wine only, no juice. Wine only, girl. Look at Molly. Look at Molly. The boy dog. Why? Why? Okay. That's how you got there, girl. That's how you came along. Why? Okay, Noel. Yes. Okay. Hey, Molly girl. Hey, pretty girl. I was over there dancing with the plate of food. Okay, girl.
She's hungry outside.
She's so gone.
Making love to the food.
Look at us. To the safe, code to the safe. I show you how to network. Fuck a Netflix and chill. What's your network?
Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. And I'm down for you always. And I'm down for you, down for you always.
I got a new boy, and I
Pussy got that wet, got that drip, got that super soaker.
The party's winding down, y'all. Oh yeah,
I've experienced driving and it scared the life out of me. I'm okay.
maybe she went inside. I'm so tired. Oh, that one's blurry. Woo. Everybody leaving. Yeah. Everybody's so